welcome to Indie Option. My name is Roz.
And I'm Mike.
And we're back to show you the vendor page and how to configure the products and services. So we've got Kathy's Catering here, and we figured she would be a really good illustrative example. And what we're going to do is first start with her product. She actually sells food equipment, food preparation equipment, as a sideline to her catering business. So she's got food preparation equipment, and we can say large vats, baking tins. We can say, whisks. Again, I'm mentioning certain things. You may want to actually have different categories and say one for whisks and have the different brands that you sell and that sort of thing. But we're just showing you how to actually enter the text. So you notice I'm able to move things around, move the order. I hit enter after each one, and then when I click add, I've got the list here. So you can have several different categories of products and different brands that you can be mentioning, to pull yourself apart. And this is great for searching. This is searchable.
Yes.
So the next one I'm going to do is, and I'll add another one too. So I'll add another product. So we'll say, instead of food preparation equipment, we'll say tableware. And so plates, china, we'll say china, flatware, etc. Right? And then you'll notice that once you've got more than one list of products, you can delete them, you can edit them, you can make any changes. But you'll notice you want to make sure you put some care into the order that you put them in. Okay? Now with services, what we're going to do here is we're going to add the fact that she's a caterer. So we thought it would be interesting to approach this in the way of a menu. So we'll say hearty grip menu, right? And so we can say, farmer's lunch, or farmer's breakfast, I should say. Best. And then, then we'd be with bacon and eggs. And then you could put hearty manwiches for lunch. And then you could say for dinner, you could put in roast beef dinner with all the fixings. Right? And so that's your hearty grip menu. And then again, when you add that in, that'll be all listed there. And then we can add another one for the
dainty actress.
Yes, the dainty actress. The dainty actress. Because her needs are very different. So we will put in continental breakfast, if I can spell it right. Best. I hit enter, and then I'm going to put yogurt and salad for lunch, or yogurt and fruit plate, let's say. And then for dinner, we may want to have a chicken salad.
Typos are okay in the menu. They're not going to eat that.
So you notice that you can approach this in many different ways. So, if you're, whatever services you're providing, you want to give them some categories and some good descriptive language, and just remember that it's all searchable.
And if you refresh the page,
you'll notice that on the left, you'll see the products and the services all loaded.
I'll lift up on the left.
And so we will, in another module, show you how it's Kathy's Catering will come up in a search when she's put those items in. So please, be mindful of the items that she's put in here. So I think that's all on the products and services. And we'll be back to talk about projects, which is the very interesting part of this website. And we'll be getting into the heart and soul of that piece. So thank you very kindly.
Cool. I want to start a project.
Yeah, I know. Me too. Okay. Talk to you soon.